Welcome to the Yes or No English podcast channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking. Practice daily and grow your confidence in English.
Hi everyone! Today we're practicing at the juice stall sentences. Ready? Let's go!
I walk to the juice stall.
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 I see many fruits on the table.
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 I see oranges and apples.
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 I see watermelons and grapes.
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 The fruits look very fresh.
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 I read the juice menu.
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 I want orange juice today.
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 The shopkeeper takes an orange.
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 He cuts the orange in half.
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 He puts it in the juicer machine.
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 He presses the button firmly.
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 The machine spins around fast.
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 The juice comes out fresh.
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 He adds some sugar to it.
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 He pours it into a glass.
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 He adds ice cubes on top.
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 The juice looks very cold.
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 He puts the glass on the counter.
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 I ask him the price.
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 The juice costs 30 rupees.
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 I pay him the money.
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 I take the cold juice glass.
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 I take my first big sip.
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 The juice tastes really sweet.
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 I feel happy and refreshed.
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 Wonderful. You just practiced 25 at the juice stall sentences. Subscribe for a new video every day. See you next time.